how's this played out in KMI? Well, we thought one day people are going to be talking online for free. Almost the first thing Mark did, I think, was license one of the emerging voice-on-the-net technologies so that we could start playing with this idea that people are probably going to talk on the net for free one day. We couldn't really figure out quite how, but we better start experimenting. Okay. More, they might even be doing stuff together like sketching ideas. Well, actually, of course, Doug Engelbart had already shown us that, but how could normal people get access to that? Well, the OU knows a bit about this.
Now I can write on there and correct it. Now, that's the sort of thing you can do with this light pen, but you can actually send that signal down a telephone line. And let me show you how that might work. Let's see if there's somebody on the end.
Oscar-winning performances.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Oh, David, it's Graham. Are you all fixed up for your meeting in Bedford this week?
No, I've never been there before, actually, so if you could explain how I get there, that would be very useful.
OK, fine. I'll try and draw you a little map. I'll have to clear the screen. I've got something on this end. You're all fixed up at your end, are you?
Yes, I'm all connected.
Right, OK. Well, now, you should be able to find the bridge over the river in the centre of Bedford. That's the River Ouse. And then there's the Market Square and the High Street.